Good morning. I am Dr. T. Ravichandran, Professor, the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology. We are discussing about the subject of artificial intelligence, the subject code of AL 3391. Today topic, depth first search. Previous class we are discussed about that the more deep in depth first search. The search, the problem solving agent to assign the uninformed search, that the depth first search, the breadthwise to move that root node to child node, collect all the data and level 1 to level 0 to level 1, level 2, level 3, all the things to be completed after they move from next child. The same concept, slight variations from that the depth first search. Depth first search is algorithm for transferring the search tree or graph of the data structure. Algorithms start at the root node, explore to the possible along with each branch. That is the root node to be selected, the level as the 0, to transfer the explore to depth to reach step by step to develop. The algorithm for depth first search for the depending structure, the depth first search, depth as move the root node to 1 by 1 as reach as a depth. The depth again is a solution or goal node or otherwise failure to be returned. To assign the for loop, depth is equal to 0 to infinity. Yes, depth we don't understand for that. Depth 1 by 1 by 1 to be unreached. To reach the result to the depth first search, limited problems are the debit, which result is equal to cutoff thereof the returns. The function of limited search problems beyond return the failure, the frontier for the first in first out queue stack. The stack structure assigned for 1 by 1, the data are put into the frontiers. While is not the empty, the frontiers to be on do, the node of pop to frontier. If the problem of is cold state, node state has returned to the node. If depth node has the left the well, the result of cutoff. Else if it's not in the cycle node to be node 2, then each node child of the expand to the problems of the node. Add the child of frontier to be unreturned. Depth first search is a very simple concept to starting node to search the depth 1 by 1. The depth as we reached, then we have to move another one to verify it for each and every move child as the goal. It's not a goal to backtrack to the reach on the previous state, then another depth to be moved. It's the same structure, repeat for 1 by 1 of that complete goal structure in the structure. This is a algorithm for depth first search in uninformed search strategy. Depth limited search, the depth as without limit, the more time to be taken. So assigned the depth limited search, the level of the limit, the 0 level, level 2 on level 3. The depth move only level 3 for the example. The depth first search, first level, second level, third level, only to go. Then after the backtrack to the next node. Otherwise, depth limited is not there. the search limitation as infinity. The depth limited search has modified version of depth first search that imposed the limitation of the depth first search. This means the algorithm will be exploit the node up to the constrained depth. Effectively, the preventions is going from the down expansively deep path of that unknown lead to the goal. By setting the maximum depth first search, limited search aim to improve the efficiency and ensure the more manageable search limits. Iterative depending depth first search. The depth first search called depending for that the starting initial value. The value called iterative going beyond the depth. Basically, we do depth first search and breadth first search. One iteration is completed, next then go for the next level. Bidirectional search. The bidirectional search graphs search algorithm to find the smallest path of the source to goal vertex run to simultaneously search. The two way to be searched to find the reach as the goal. One is the starting node to goal node, another is goal node to starting node, which place the two searching events are meted to complete it for the searching structure. The forward search source to initial vectors towards the goal vectors. Backward search goal to target vectors towards the source vectors. These are bidirectional search. These are final listeners. It's a very simple algorithm. Same the functions bidirectionally. First one is the assigned for goal node and second one is the initial node to be unassigned. Verified for the twos are the structure and meet out for each values to check each and every moment to verify and another node to becomes on the frontier return the value. Frontier's values are same to the terminated for the bidirectional search. One very simple. Starting state to goal state to starting state. When the goal state to starting state to meet out the same value comes on that search, the algorithm should be terminated. This is a goal bidirectional search. These are very important searching structures for the uninformed searching strategy for artificial intelligence. Breadth first search, uniform cost search, depth first search, depth limited search, iterative deepening depth first search and bidirectional search. It's a very simple concept to learn about that the uninformed search strategy in problem solving agent. Thank you for all to watching this video. Thank you very much.